seeing cracks in your bricks can definitely raise some alarm bells, and with good reason. While some are just cosmetic, others might signal more significant problems with your home's foundation. Because of our challenging climate here in Southern California, Arizona, and Nevada, cracked brick wall repair is something homeowners deal with quite often. At Dalinghaus Construction, we've seen it all when it comes to brick damage. Today, I want to help you distinguish between a harmless eyesore and a structural red flag so you can avoid costly repairs down the road. Before we talk about which cracks are dangerous, we need to understand why they happen in the first place. There are 5 main culprits we see every single day. Settling and shifting. As your home settles into the ground, slight foundation shifts can cause bricks to crack. This is common, but it becomes a major concern if the settling is uneven. Thermal expansion. Extreme temperature fluctuations cause materials to expand and contract. This is especially prevalent in our hot, dry, southwestern climate. Moisture damage. Water can seep into bricks and mortar, weakening them over time. This is often tied to poor drainage around the home. Poor construction. Sometimes it's just bad workmanship, improper mortar mixing, or insufficient expansion joints from the original build. Seismic activity. In our earthquake-prone regions, seismic shifts can cause sudden, significant structural cracks. Let's look at what your cracks are actually telling you. Hairline cracks. These are thin, barely visible, and usually less than about 1/16 of an inch wide. They aren't a cause for alarm and can usually be fixed with some silicone sealant on a free afternoon. Vertical cracks. These run straight up and down. They often appear during natural settling, and while they're less concerning than others, you want to have them inspected if they get wider than about 1/4 of an inch. Stair-step cracks. These follow the mortar joints in a staircase pattern. These are almost always a sign of foundation movement where one part of the house is sinking faster than another. Diagonal cracks. These run through both the brick and the mortar. They often follow seismic activity and can be very serious, especially if they extend into the foundation. Horizontal cracks. These are the big ones. They indicate that your foundation is shifting and that the soil beneath it is destabilizing. This is a potential structural failure and needs professional attention immediately. You can't stop time, but you can keep cracks under control. Control moisture. Bricks are absorbent. Use proper ventilation in wet rooms like bathrooms and manage the moisture levels around your exterior walls to prevent constant expansion and contraction. Maintain drainage. Use perforated drain pipes and gravel to direct water away from the foundation. Regular inspections. Do a walk around of your home every quarter or after every big storm. Catching a small crack early can save you a fortune. So, when do you put down that DIY sealant and call in the experts? Size matters. Any crack wider than about 1/4 of an inch needs an evaluation. The systemic test. If you have multiple cracks in different areas, you likely have a systemic foundation issue. Accompanying issues. If cracks appear alongside sticking doors, sloping floors, or gaps around your windows, your home is trying to tell you it's shifting. Sudden appearance. If a crack appears overnight after an earthquake or storm, get it checked out ASAP. At Dalinghaus Construction, our specialty is helping people. We're homeowners too, and we want you to feel educated and involved in protecting your home. Whether it's a piering system to stabilize your foundation, seismic retrofitting, or professional waterproofing, our team is here to ensure your structural integrity. Don't wait for a hairline to become a hazard. Schedule your free evaluation with Dalinghaus today. Let's keep your home safe for years to come. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.